Mission Discovery is really named it immediately after a space shuttle called the Discovery. I think that's what Chris Barber from the International Space School Education Trust intended. But it's much bigger than that. It's a program that has been conducted in the UK for at least 5 to 6 years. It gives the opportunity for A-level students and younger to come together in teams, often from different schools, to create experiments that will be flown to the International Space Station. The kids, I call them that because I'm from America, they arrive on a Monday morning. They don't know much about space. They don't know much about working in teams often. And we, Steve and myself, talk about how experiments are performed in space. We talk about the space environment. What can you do in space that's important and useful and different from doing it on Earth, so that there's value in the experiment you're going to do in space. And by Friday, those teams of pupils have been gathered together. They present their ideas and work, and we, the judges, choose the best experiment, and the winning team gets its experiment flown to the International Space Station. The best thing they get from it is a feeling of value, self-worth, and respect from their teammates. And I think that does come out in this week, because we do emphasize working together as a team, respecting each other, and we have this term called psychological safety, which they need to have to be effective in a team. And yeah, there'll be some friendships out of this if they weren't there already, but most of it will be self-confidence that comes out of this event.
I agree 100% with the self-confidence. I do think that is a huge factor they get out of this. They have done something great, and they can put that with them or take that with them for the rest of their life. You know, this is a different environment for me growing up in the States, but I do see the value. I mean, the way the students, I think you have very good classes. The science building here is fantastic,
yeah,
right?
Awesome.
It's
yeah.
a
It is the best science building I've seen.
Yeah, so I think that is a fantastic thing, because I'm definitely a little biased on the science side myself. And so to have that kind of emphasis put on that and this fantastic facility here is a wonderful thing. And so far the students have been great. So we'll see you by the end of the week.
Yeah,
but yeah.
So far pretty good.